Guys, sometimes you can judge Sneh that Sneh she is bitter, Sneh she have got a problem. Guys, that girl she is very hurt. You understand it? Because we don't even know what happened behind the scene. You understand it? Because some of the people they were pretending that they like Sneh in front of camera. You understand? Like Makumalo. Sneh says Makumalo she is a pretender. We don't know because guys, the Macele says the same thing in the Mayeni. We don't know about them because the Mangwabe and Makumalo sometimes maybe they've got problem. You understand? Because the Sneh she is very hurt, guys. Look at Sneh's eyes that time she was talking with Mangwabe. You understand? Because the guys the Sneh she wants to cry. Guys, that girl she is very bitter. Even she was very young because they don't treat her like other kids. That's why Sneh she have got very bitter. You understand? She is very bitter because they don't give her the love she wants when she is very child. Because guys, Makumalo take Mpilo. Makumalo she stays with Mpilo. You understand it? But no one who stays with Sneh, no one takes care of Sneh because now Macele she takes care of Sneh's child Tando. You understand it? But we don't know who takes care of Sneh when she was very young. Maybe all of them they don't want her in her life. That's why you saw Sneh now. She is staying alone. You understand it? Because guys, that girl she is very bitter. We can judge Sneh, but we don't know what's happening behind the scene. You understand? Because that girl she is bitter. We don't know. We don't even know. Because we can judge Sneh, guys, we can judge that girl, but we don't know what's happening when she is very young. They don't take care of her. You understand? They don't take care of that child. That's why that child she is very bitter. You understand? Because guys, they were choosing, yeah. Because guys, look at Mpilo and Sneh, they are different. You understand? Some guys don't choose children sometimes because and most of the time when you are telling your children that child negative things about that child, it will become very something very bad to hear. You understand? Because the most of the times, guys, even Musamseleku, he didn't take care of his child. Now he can pretend in front of camera that he loves Sneh. You understand? Because that girl she is very hurt. Even you look at Sneh, we don't know what's happening behind the scene because look at Mpilo's life and Sneh's life. You can show that children are different. You understand?